This is how to find out the number of videos you have published on YouTube as a creator. The first step is to tap on the YouTube mobile app. As the mobile app opens, ensure that you are logged into the YouTube app with the email address you use for your YouTube channel. Alright? The next step is to tap on your profile icon. Here it is at the bottom right. On tapping on your profile, the next step is to tap on the gear icon, which is the settings. On tapping on the gear icon, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Tap on your data on YouTube. This will open this kind of page, alright? Then scroll until you get to this section. From here, you can see I have published 1,121 videos and they are all public and 54 playlists and the 54 of them are public. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.